Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that has been gaining a lot of attention lately. In this video, we'll be discussing how you can invest in cryptocurrency as a beginner and build your wealth. So, let's get started. Number 1. What is cryptocurrency? First things first, let's define what cryptocurrency is. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. It operates independently of a central bank and can be transferred directly between individuals without the need for intermediaries like banks. Cryptography is the practice of secure communication in the presence of third parties. In the case of cryptocurrency, cryptography is used to secure transactions and to control the creation of new units. Let's take Bitcoin as an example. Bitcoin is a type of cryptocurrency that was created in 2009. It's decentralized, which means it's not controlled by any government or financial institution. Instead, it's based on a peer-to-peer network that allows users to send and receive payments without the need for intermediaries like banks. Bitcoin transactions are secured using cryptography. Each transaction is verified by a network of computers around the world, and once it's verified, it's added to a public ledger called the blockchain. The blockchain is a decentralized database that contains a record of all Bitcoin transactions. One of the key features of Bitcoin is its limited supply. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins in existence, and this limit is built into the system. This makes Bitcoin a deflationary currency, which means its value may increase over time as demand for it grows. Other cryptocurrencies, like Ethereum and Litecoin, may have different use cases and applications. Overall, cryptocurrency is a new and exciting technology that has the potential to revolutionize the way we think about money and finance. Number 2. Why invest in cryptocurrency? Now that we know what cryptocurrency is, let's talk about why you should invest in it. Cryptocurrency has been gaining popularity as an investment option due to its potential for high returns. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin have seen significant price increases over the years, with some investors making huge profits. However, it's important to note that cryptocurrency is a highly volatile and risky investment, and there's no guarantee of returns. Another reason to invest in cryptocurrency is its decentralized nature. Unlike traditional currencies, which are controlled by governments and financial institutions, cryptocurrency is not subject to the same regulations and restrictions. This makes it a great option for those who want to diversify their investment portfolio and reduce their exposure to traditional financial systems. Cryptocurrency can also be used as a hedge against inflation. Inflation is the rate at which the general level of prices for goods and services is rising, and it can erode the value of traditional currencies over time. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin have a limited supply, which means they may hold their value better than traditional currencies in times of inflation. For example, let's say you live in a country where the local currency is experiencing high inflation. You could choose to invest in Bitcoin as a way to protect your wealth from the effects of inflation. If the value of the local currency continues to decline, the value of your Bitcoin investment may increase, helping to offset the effects of inflation. Number 3. How to invest in cryptocurrency. Now that we know why we should invest in cryptocurrency, let's talk about how to invest in it. Investing in cryptocurrency can be done in several ways. One of the most common ways is to buy cryptocurrency on a cryptocurrency exchange. A cryptocurrency exchange is a platform that allows you to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. To buy cryptocurrency on an exchange, you'll first need to create an account and verify your identity. Once you've done that, you can deposit funds into your account using a bank transfer, credit card, or other payment method. You can then use those funds to buy the cryptocurrency of your choice. Another way to invest in cryptocurrency is through a cryptocurrency investment fund. These funds allow you to invest in a diversified portfolio of cryptocurrencies without having to buy and manage them yourself. Cryptocurrency investment funds can be accessed through traditional investment platforms like mutual funds or exchange-traded funds, ETF. Finally, you can also invest in cryptocurrency through mining. Cryptocurrency mining involves using your computer's processing power to solve complex mathematical problems and verify transactions on the blockchain. In exchange for your work, you're rewarded with a small amount of cryptocurrency. However, mining can be expensive and requires a lot of technical knowledge and equipment. For example, let's say you want to invest in Bitcoin. You could create an account on a cryptocurrency exchange like Coinbase, deposit funds into your account, and then buy Bitcoin using those funds. Alternatively, you could invest in a Bitcoin investment fund like the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, which allows you to invest in Bitcoin through a traditional investment platform. Number 4. Tips for investing in cryptocurrency. Investing in cryptocurrency can be risky, so it's important to do your research and make informed decisions. Here are some tips to keep in mind. 1. Start small. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. 2. Diversify your portfolio. Invest in multiple cryptocurrencies to spread your risk. 3. Keep track of your investments. Use a portfolio tracker to monitor your investments and make informed decisions. 4. Stay up to date. Keep up with the latest news and trends in the cryptocurrency market. Overall, investing in cryptocurrency can be a high-risk, high-reward proposition. It's important to do your research and make informed decisions when investing in this new and exciting technology. That's it for today's video. We hope this beginner's guide to investing in cryptocurrency has been helpful. Remember to do your research and make informed decisions when investing in cryptocurrency. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.